Let's run.
Rory.
Come on. So Christine, you got promoted to be a grandma. And Chantel's the official mommy?
I think so.
Is that how it works now?
I'm too young to be a grandma.
I agree. Because that will make me one too.
Yeah.
Riley's trying to figure it out. Like, do I play with him or what do I do with this little guy?
Why is he so annoying?
But that's good. Hey, you like that
All right.
smell.
Rory. Riley, you find me say hello? Huh? This is not your area.
That's so good. He actually chases them. Ah! You know, at the dog park, Riley doesn't usually get interested in any.
Does he just run around on his own?
Yeah, he smells everybody. He lets other dogs smell him, but he generally just wants to play with Michelle.